For the next step, we're going to create another flow toolpath, this time orientated to a point. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths and go down to Multi-Axis. From here, make sure that Flow is selected as your toolpath type and come over to the left-hand side to select Tool. In Tool, select Library Tool and Filter. Make sure that you select this toolpath type, which is your M mill, and that it equals a tool diameter of 3/16. When you have this, select OK. Grab tool 306 and select OK again. Enter the comment, finish the fillet surface. Once you've typed in the comment, come over to the left-hand side and select Holder. Under Holder, open Library and select BT 40-inch right here. Also, choose the first tool in the list. Come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Pattern. Under Cut Pattern, select this icon here. We're going to select the fillet and the smaller fillets too. If you have to scroll in to see this one, please do. I need to rotate to be able to see the top one here, and zooming in will help as well. Once you have this, select Enter on your keyboard. If you don't notice a gray line running across your fillet, select Cut Direction to make it appear. The Flowline Data dialog box, which is this dialog box here, allows you to change the direction, offset, tolerance, or step direction of flowline geometry. Once you have this, select OK. As you can see here, we should have 3 surfaces selected. Make sure that these parameters follow that of your training tutorial as well, before coming over to the left-hand side and selecting Tool Axis Control here. Make sure that Tool Axis Control, you change Lines to Point, and you select this icon here. Mastercam asks us to select a point. If you can't see the endpoint on this line, simply select Alt-S to shade your part and zoom in to this endpoint here. Once you have this selected, make sure that the parameters here align to that of your training tutorial. It should. Come over to the left-hand side and expand Tool Axis Control to select Limits. Under Limits, make sure the Z-axis is turned on and that we have a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 50. And hit Enter on our keyboard. Once we have this, we will also select Modify Motion that exceeds limits. Modify Motion that exceeds limits modifies the tool vectors that fall outside the range of the set axis limits. The tool axis will be set to maximum when it exceeds the set maximum value or set minimum when it falls below the set minimum value. With that being said, come over to the side here and select Collision Control. Under Collision Control, make sure that you select this icon here. And Check is also selected here. Go back and select Isometric and Fit to Screen. Once this is done, hit Alt-S on your keyboard to shade your part back, and grab this surface here, followed by this surface. Once you have this, select Enter, and select OK on Toolpath Surface Selection. As you can see, we will have 2 entities selected here. Come over to the side and select Linking. Under Linking, make sure the parameters are set to the same, except for Retract. We need to change this value to 2, and hit Enter on our keyboard. Expand Linking and select Entry Exit. From here, these values should align to your training tutorial. The only thing that we need to change is the direction to the right on both the entry curve and also the exit curve. So just change those 2 accordingly. Once you have changed those 2, select OK. Your toolpath will be shown here. Come up to the top and select Toggle Toolpath Display.